Okay, so once again, very good morning, good evening, everyone. So welcome to another session of the Bazaar with Charcha. So we are here once again for after 15 days, and this time we have a event. We had an event on July 23rd, the budget session, and we'll discuss in detail how the sector has placed and how the Nifty has been placed, and let us also will take the stock related queries. So before starting this session, this is a disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BSL and certification from NISM in no way guarantee of performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related document carefully before investing. So this is our company name, registration, SEBI registration, and address is placed over here. And let us move on to the how Nifty and other sectoral major key sectoral have placed in the, especially in the last 1 week and last 1 month. So if you see here, majority of the indexes from the last 6 months, it's been trading at nearly all-time high levels. And from last 1 week, especially, there is slight changes in the technical side and fundamental side also, where we might have seen some profit booking, slight correction in the Nifty 50. So let us see. And if you see here, majority of the index are still in rally, but especially this metal and energy as well as realty. So that's three sectors are slowly becoming from, if you see the last 1 month also. So from last 1 month, it's becoming slightly turning into profit booking sessions. So there is slight, it's moved to the metal is already breached its 100 DMA. So it's moved it to the correction and distribution days is increased. And energy, it's still in, it's hovering around, it's trading in sideways range. And from last 1 month, it's still in the sideways range only. And realty, especially this week, it's came under pressure. So it's almost lost around 9% in the last from off highs. So let us move on to the chart, Nifty chart. And this is a Nifty daily chart. 1 second. Yes. Okay. So this is a Nifty daily chart, and you can see clearly like there is a pattern formation over here, and then after that there is a very good run towards 24,800 kind of level, and post that 20 after touching its 24,800 kind of level, then there was a bearish engulfing candle which was formed here over here, and you can see clearly in the candlesticks charts. So if you see here, it's a bearish engulfing candle has been formed, and it's first sign of weakness, which indicated by Nifty 50, where from the off-highs profit booking has placed, and post that index has been trading in the sideways in consolidation range only. So it's making lower high, lower low price formation from last 3-4 days, especially this week. And budget day on 23rd, it was been a volatile session, which a majority of the gains they have lost. However, it come back strongly, and we were able to close around that 24,500, 550 kind of level. But still, it's not out of the wood. So if you see on the daily chart, so this is a Nifty daily chart. So I marked it for you. So if you see here on the upward sloping the trend line, which is the recent trend line, which is formed over last 1 month, that has been breached. So minor trend support has been breached from the Nifty 50. Also, if you see blue line, that is a 21 DMA. So today it is opened with a negative note, but however, it managed to close about 21 DMA. That is a very good sign. First positive sign, which gives up some probability that so there might be a correction is not yet over. Correction is not yet over, and still Nifty trading in this particular consolidation range. So it's kind of 50-50 situation. On the resistance side, so immediate resistance we can see 24,500, which is the bearish candle which is formed on this particular day, right? So that is low. It's around 24,500 kind of level. So it's not able to surpass that level from last three trading sessions, especially on the budget session. So that is a key level to watch on the resistance side. So if the index, as I said, told in today's pre-bell also. So if index manages to hold 21 DMA, so there is a slight chance that index may hold this level and continue to trade sideways in the range of 24,500 to 24,800 kind of level in the next coming sessions. So first level of resistance we might expect, that is 24,000. 500 550 kind of level. Then that's a previous high, that is around 800 850 kind of level. So once it crosses that level, then only we can see 25,000 25,500 kind of level in Nifty 50. But right now, if you see the momentum chart, especially on the daily chart and as well as on the weekly chart, so from the momentum side, slightly momentum has been deteriorated from the last couple of weeks, especially even before the budget. So couple of weeks, it's formed a bearish inverted hammer kind of candle in the last week, and today this week also it is formed a doji sort of sign. Still one day left. Tomorrow is one day trading session is left, so it's continuously forming a doji. So it's kind of indecisiveness in the Nifty 50, and momentum has been deteriorated. And however, on the weekly chart is still it's in the sideways range, but however in the daily chart, so it has been deteriorated, and MACD was also trending in the change into negative crossover. So this is regarding Nifty 50. And if the index fails to hold that 21 DMA, so that is around 350 kind of level. So if index fails to hold that 350 kind of level, so we might see some more correction towards its 50 DMA, that is around 23,750 650 kind of level. So that is what we are expecting. On the upside, there is only a minor resistance, that is around 24,850 kind of level. So this is regarding Nifty 50. And one more sector is Bank Nifty. Especially Bank Nifty has gave up majority of the return, especially after touching its all-time high of 53,000, which dragged the Nifty, drag Nifty in the, especially in the last week. So if you see here from the last three trading sessions, so we are seeing consecutive two bearish candles with the gap down openings. So after the gap down opening, there is a consecutively making a volatile trading session. So right now it is trading hovering around 50 DMA. So it might get support somewhere here. So if you see that all the majority of the banks, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, have reported very good numbers. Still, that stock has been reacting inversely regarding to their earnings. So that we are observing in the price action side. Though they have given very good earnings from all the aspects, it's not a very good earnings. It's a decent earnings compared to market estimates. But however, the price action has been negative for all the banking stocks. So that we can see, especially in the bank index. And if you see, the momentum chart has been deteriorated, and it's from already it's trading hovering around MACD's negative crossover. And the weekly chart also, it's made this week, especially it witnessed a profit booking. So momentum has been deteriorated. So we might see some more profit taking session if it breaks it 21 DMA. So we might see this this trend line where it has given a private breakout in the last especially in this particular last week of May. So we might see 49,000, 50,000, 49,000 kind of 49,500 kind of level in the next coming days if this profit booking continues. So that's why we are cautious on all the aspects, and we are so already if you see the chart, it's given a breakout, and right now it's making a profit bookings in the overall market. So especially in the bank, Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we might see some more profit booking session if it breaks it 50 DMA. That is today's low actually. So if it breaks that level, so we might see 49,500 kind of level. And the last sector from my side is Nifty Auto. So overall this particular sector, it's trending in the bullish territory. There is no weakness at all the front. It's trading, trading around all key moving averages. However, if you see last 5-6 weeks, this is the weekly chart. From the last 5-6 weeks, it's trading in the sideways range, but momentum slightly deteriorated, and also it's improving. So it's right now it's on a verge of breakout from its previous all-time high level. So let us see what happens. Today it has given a very good return, but on the supported by Tata Motors. So that is a very reason that it formed a bullish candle over here. But its MACD is turning slightly on the negative side. So let us see whether it will give a breakout or not. If it gives a breakout, then there will be a lot of opportunity in the Nifty Auto sector. So also, if you see the trend line, which draws from the 2023 November, so it's maintaining that lower level and bouncing back strongly. So this time also it has given a very good support around that level, and also 50 DMA is placed around that level. So let us hope for whether it will break or not. If it breaks about that 25,800 kind of level, then we might see some more upside on the Nifty Auto Index. So on the downside, this level, that is trend line, if it breaks below this trend line as well as 50 DMA, that is 24,700 kind of level, then we might see some more profit booking in Nifty Auto. So as of now, it's no trade. It's kind of sideways market only. So you can go for the watch list in this particular sector. If any stocks breaks out, you can act accordingly in that particular sector. So there are other few indexes. My colleague Rahi is going to present you. So
thank you so much,
over to
Aditya.
you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. So I will be talking about Nifty Energy, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Metal, and one more sector, I think Nifty IT. Okay. Yeah. So I will go one by one. So this is the daily chart of Nifty Energy. So uh, first, I would like to discuss that what was the announcement in the budget, some of the announcement which may be the benefit for this particular index, like the initiative with private sectors in nuclear energy and setting up Bharat small reactors, even the research and development of Bharat small modular reactors and newest technology for the nuclear energy. That are some of the things that has been announced in the budget. Even the financial support for shifting of micros and small industries to cleaner forms of energy. Joint ventures between NTPC and BHEL will set up a full-scale 800 megawatt commercial plants. So these are the some of the announcements which may be helpful, and it may shows some boost up in this particular index. Now I would like to talk about the technical placement of the index. So if you look at the chart itself, there is no such technical weakness. Overall sentiment is still positive. Just there has been some profit booking that has happened, especially from the past 3 days, we can say, or from after reaching it's the recent high that was actually placed near 43,600 around. The index has actually witnessed some of the profit booking, but still it got support around its 100 DMA, this line. And if you look at here, it got support here, and again we have seen that the the index is actually trying to move upside, and it is actually showing the resilience. So let's see whether it is trying to breach this resistance or not, and once this resistance is surpassed, then again we can see the next leg of rally in this particular index. So this was about Nifty Energy. The second one was Nifty FMCG. So again, in the budget, there has been announcement, positive announcement for Nifty FMCG as well. The government strongly emphasized in budget 24 and several initiatives aimed at boosting rural consumption and which expect to support a recovery in the FMCG volumes as well. Even the announcement of 25%, 25,000 deduction for the income taxpayer and slab revision will also put some money in their hands, boosting consumer demand. So these are the things that may be helpful for this particular index. The stock has, the index has actually rallied and it is actually trending in the bullish trend. There is no sign of weakness in this particular index, and it is actually trading in the charted territory. So let's see how long we can see the rally in this particular index. And after all, we have to also be very careful regarding the stop loss or if you're buying any of the stocks in this particular index as well. So this was the FMCG index which I was talking about. We have seen a nice rally, we can say, like from the 24th June onwards. The index is actually trying to move upside, and still there is no sign of weakness so far. It is trending up its all key moving average, and the bullish momentum of FMCG remain intact. So now the Nifty Metal. So Nifty Metal in the initial of starting of this session, it has already informed you guys like the index has moved into the correction phase because the index has actually lost around 8.5% on or 9% to be very precise from its off high, and it has also breached its 100 DMA because one day is lagging here. So I will show you here Nifty Metal. If you look at this line, it has actually breached its 100 DMA as well. So what we have decided to move this index to the correction phase, and also its distribution day number has also increased. And if you look at the budget announcement for this particular index, Nifty Metal, our respectable Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said in the budget speech on Tuesday that government would remove the 2.5% basic custom duty on the imports of ferronickel. And ferronickel is a key raw material for the stainless steel and other specialty alloys. So let's see if this announcement is actually be beneficial for this metal index or not. But it is time will only decide because as of now the technical fall has already started. The index has moved to the correction phase, so we have to be very careful. And I think it will be the right time for us to prepare our watch list, and or any stock specific action can also be taken. So this was about Nifty Metal. And the last one from my side will be Nifty IT. So Nifty IT is trending in the bullish trend, and there is no sign of weakness so far. We have seen we have seen a nice rally here also, a decent rally, especially after 4th of June. The index has actually tried to move upside. It has also reclaimed all the key moving averages. Now it is trending up its all key moving average. There is no sign of weakness so far. So overall sentiment in IT index is positive. So yeah, Jatisha, I think 2 or 3 more sector is left. Then after
Yeah.
that, take the stock specific queries.
Yes. So the next sector is Nifty Realty. So Nifty Realty, from the last, if you see, it was a dream run from especially in the 2023 and also in 2020. After there is some more long-term correction was there, and then there was a very good run. But now there is a slightly fundamental change from due to the recent tax structure, especially in the budget session. Nirmala Sitharaman has announced regarding long-term capital gains on real estates. So that is going to be a little hurting this particular sector. So there is a lot of clarity need to be done where there are many more scenarios in this particular clause of this long-term capital gains for the sale of property. So there are many more scenarios are there. So whether it is going to benefit the customer or it will benefit the buyer or seller. So there is going to be a lot of more taxes need to be paid for the sale of any immovable property. So it's depend on the different scenarios. So out of many of that, it's many are saying that only 20%, 30% is going to benefit the customer, those who are selling the property. So there is going to be a lot of negativity around this particular sector. So right now it's already it has been, I think it's trading in the negative territory. It's making breached its 50 DMA. However, this I have drawn a trend line. Just I have taken the budget this election day low as a low, but we can accept that. We can take out that exception days. But however, it's trading near its 50 MA, and nearly it's making some kind of bearish pattern as well. So if you see, if you draw a trend line over here, so that is a 11,120 is a key level to watch on the upside. So if it breaks out that level, then we might see some more the fresh entry on this Nifty Realty. But right now it's likely to consolidate. So it's breached at 50 DMA. So if it breaks this upward sloping recent low, so that is around 23rd low. If it breaks that level to 1050 kind of level, so we might see 1000 kind of level in Nifty Realty on the technical side. So it is kind of a dicey situation for Nifty Realty. Those who are holding this particular Nifty Realty anything stock, one can book a partial profit on the if you are holding. Then or else you can wait for some more level to watch out in this particular sector. And the last sector from my side is Nifty Pharma. So this is a sector, it's outperforming compared to all other indexes. So it's after that breakout from the last, especially in the June. So there is a continuously breakout retest happened, and then also 21 DMA retest has been done, and currently it's trading at nearly all-time high levels. So at current juncture, it is not advisable to buy. But if it comes back towards its 21 DMA, then we can go on a buy on dip strategy over here on the Nifty Pharma sector. But as of now, it's trading at all-time high levels. So we might see some more upside towards 22,000 kind of level in the coming days. And the downside, 21 DMA is the first level to watch. And post that 19,000 20,000 is a next level to watch on the downside support. So there is no sign of any weakness. So continue to trend hold this particular sector if you are holding any stocks in this particular sector. So I think we are open for the chat box. Rahi, can you please take the few queries?
Yeah, sure.
First one is
Yeah, I have already taken Aditya. Just
okay.
1 second, okay. Okay, just 1 second. I will just show my screen now. Yes. Someone is asking about this one, State Trading Corp of India. So the stock has actually given the breakout, and it has also extended 21% from the pivot level in 7 days only. So I think it is extended as of now. And if your risk reward ratio matches, and if your stop loss matches your criteria, then you can take your call. But otherwise, I would like to suggest you for let the stocks to form a base, and then again you can enter in this stock. And if you are already having the stock in your portfolio, then you can remain be invested in it. The next one is IREDA. So the stock is actually from the past 8 to 9 days, or we can say like from past 2 weeks, it is trading with negative bias, and there has been some profit booking in it. Though who has taken when the breakout has taken place, so they must have sitting with the gain of 36% from the pivot level. So if you're holding the stock, then you can be invested in this particular stock. But if you're looking for a fresh buy, I think it's actually falling gradually. So let's see when there is a bounce back, and when there is a formation of base, whether it's taking, because already if you look at the chart here, especially on 23rd of July, the stock has got support near its 21 DMA, and we have seen a bounce back on the same day. And again, from the past 2 days, it is trading in a very tight range. So we have to see some of the trading session, and we have to monitor the price action for this particular stock, and then accordingly we can take our call. So this was about IREDA. What is the next one, Tisha? I'm taking AB Capital. Okay, AB Capital, Aditya Birla Capital. So Aditya Birla Capital was from the past 1 month, I can say. Just 1 second. Yes, 20th June onwards. So yeah. So from past 1 month, the stock has been trading with negative bias. We have seen a profit booking. The stock has hit the recent high at 246, and after that, it has started falling gradually. In this process, it has also breached its two major key moving average. In fact, three. We can say like it has breached 21 DMA, 50 DMA, and when it has breached its 100 DMA on the same day, it has actually tried to reclaim it. That is on 23rd of July, and it is still trading above that. So we can say like 100 DMA is acting as a support level for this particular stock. So yeah, so we have to wait for a couple of days, couple of more days, to see whether how the bounce back or how the price action is actually behaving, or how the buying interest emerge in this particular stock, and then we can take our call accordingly. The next one is Welspun Living. It's not coming. It's not coming. Welspun.
You can take other stocks like
I need the names.
Natco,
Huh?
Natco Pharma.
Natco
Natco
Pharma.
Pharma.
Okay. So Natco Pharma is technically well placed. It is trading above its all key moving average. It is trading with positive bias. It is in the bullish trend, we can say. The stock has actually gained after this consolidation breakout that has taken place, especially on, we can say, on 10th or 11th of June. And after that, the stock has gained 19% from that. So one who is invested in this, they can be invested, and there is no weakness so far in this.
Next one is NCC.
NCC, okay. NCC, yes, the stock is actually trading in the bullish trend only, and there is no sign of weakness in this stock as well. And if someone has bought it during this double bottom formation breakout that has taken place here on 20th November 2023, last year actually, they are actually sitting with 99% of gain from the pivot level. But no worries, still there is a chance, and it is actually the formation of base that we can say like there is a new formation of base has taken place here. So if someone is looking to buy the stock, then you need to see your the risk reward ratio, and if your stop loss matches with with your requirement, then you can take your call on this.
Shall I take a few queries?
Yeah, please you take, then I will prepare the screen name. Yeah.
So the Tata Elxsi, so it's clearly trading below its all key moving averages. So this particular stock, especially, it was outperforming in the last, if you see 2020 to 2022. So after that, it's trending in the side is particular, making long basis. So right now, it's clearly no. Better to avoid this kind of stocks right now, and we can go for other stocks which are making a proper basis and breaking out from the right side of the basis. And right now, it's trading below its key moving averages. Next one is PCBL. So this is a kind of stocks. It's making a very good strong basis, and there is a breakout, and there is also breakout retest. So that is a very good sign. So it's right now it's facing a resistance around the range of, I think, 290. Sorry, 280. Yes, 290 kind of level. So it's making trading a resistance around that area, this price range. So if it breaks that above this cup with handle base, so we might see some more upside in this particular stock. One can keep a strong watch list on this particular stock. If it breaks out, one can go with the stop loss of swing low, or else 200 DMA as a stop loss. It's slightly deep. If you see 200 DM and 50 DM is almost same. It's around 11%. It's slightly deep and slightly volatile also from the last 1 week, 2 weeks. So go with the cautions at current junction. In this particular session, in this particular where the market has been bit dicey, either one can go with the minimum, can take a short minimum position. Instead of taking a lot of whole position, one can go with a small position with 50% of the margin or something like that. Next one is Avanti Feed. This is the one stock budget proven where the FM Sitaraman has announced the shrimp export has been further, and also they have given monetary benefits on, especially for the shrimp exports. So this is the one of the stock which gained a lot, and after that a very good tight basis. It's a classical very good nice basis, and there's a very sharp run towards quickly 25% gain. And after that it's right now it's today it has been slightly profit booking has happened, but overall trend is not changed. Those who are holding from the breakout level, one can continue to hold with the stop loss of this particular 580 kind of level, also 50 DMA. So that is a key level to watch on the downside and continue to this hold this particular stock. And also it's better to take a partial profit once it touches the 20%, 25% quickly, where sometimes what happens, stocks continue to trend in sideways range, and suddenly comes down to our buying price. So it's better to book a slightly partial profit at once it hits 20-25%, then continue to trail this stock into the next level of profit. And next one is Electrosteel. One more strong stock. It's a very good breakout today, yesterday especially. So yesterday it has given a trend line breakout also from the last off highs, and this stock has been outperforming in the last 1 year, and it's once again it's making a small basis and once again showing some signs of gain. And the stop loss is bit higher, where it's if you see it's 50 DMA is placed around 20%, and 21 DMA is also placed around 11%. So stop loss is bit deep. Those who are willing to take that risk, one can go with this stock, strong fundamental stock. So ride this trend with the stop loss of below the swing low. Next one is LIC. This stock has been given a breakout even before the budget. There was a hope that something might benefit to the insurance sector in this particular budget. But after that breakout, there is a slightly volatile trading session it is witnessing. Also, it is near to the recent swing high. So that is the reason it's making slightly volatile session. So there is no problem with major problem any signs. So continue to hold this. Those are holding the breakout level, and also those are not taken this particular stock. One can go with the once it comes back towards 1,100 kind of level, then that is a very good buy. So once it comes back towards that, one can go trail this stock with the stop loss below its 50 DMA. Next one is Gulf Oil Lubes. So after the breakout from double bottom base, it's where I have said Avanti feed. This is a classical sign where once the stock hits 25%, It's comes back towards its buying price, and once again it's making a base over here. So that's what happening in the majority of the stocks from the last 1 year. There is a and if you see here, it's making once again retested the level 50 DMA and trading sideways level. So sideways. So there is no sign of any weakness so far. But better to cautious if it faces the 21 DMA breakout, sorry, 21 DMA level, then we might see some more consolidation in this particular stock. Next one is GMDC. So GMDC, it's trading in the sideways range. So once again, one can go with the level of this breakout level. So that is around 430, 440 kind of level. So that is some key resistance level for this particular stock. So once it breaks out that 440 kind of level, then we can keep on buy signal. But right now, EPS is also due in 1 day, and let's see how it goes. If everything's fine, if it breaks about that 440 kind of level, then one can go with this particular stock with stop loss of this swing low. Next one is IRFC. So it's kind of very quick gain in this particular last, especially before budget. So there is a pre-budget rally which happened in IRFC, but however it gave up the majority of the gains, and right now it's below. It's trading around 50 DMA. So historically, it's having a strong support around its 50 DMA. So let us see how it goes. If it holds that 50 DMA, this well and good. Then if it breaks that 50 DMA, then we might see some more profit booking, and it might come back towards 200 DMA in the next coming days. And Dixon. So there was one question, I think, why Dixon is falling. So I think this time in the budget session, I think they have FM has deducted the tax benefit on the mobile phone manufacturing. So that is, I think, the main reason the Dixon is falling especially from the budget after budget session. So it's currently trading near its 50 DMA. So that is a key level to watch. Where if you see the recent trading sessions, 200 21 DMA is acted as a strong support level. So after that 21 DMA breaks, its selling volume is picking up higher, and currently at 50 DMA. If it sustains above that 50 DMA, well and good. Those who are holding from the much lower price, one can book partial profit, or one can exit also from at current level. If it makes a one more basis around this level, then keep it under watch list. But right now it's kind of a dicey situation for Dixon Technology. Next one is Federal Bank. So this stock has been exceptionally very good compared to all banking stocks, especially HDFC Bank, Axis Bank. All are falling, but this particular stock has been great, and it has given a very good return around 20-25% because of strong fundamental side changes, new CEOs, new people, CEOs, and growth sector they are expecting in this particular stock. So this is a reason Federal Bank has been gained from the last 1 month, especially from the June, and it's almost touched its 20-25% from the pivot level. So those are holding from the lower side. One can book partial profit at current level, or you can trail this particular stock with the 21 DMA as a recent stop loss, and continue to book partial profit around that level. And those are not bought, then one can avoid this stock right now. If it once again makes a basis, one can go with that particular stock. So right now, fresh buy is not an option. One more South Indian bank, it's trending in the sideways range. There is no trend. So if it breaks out above that 28 rupees, then it's a very good sign of trend change. But right now, there is no sign of trend change at all. So if it breaks this crucial level of 27, sorry, 24, 25 like kind of level, or 25, 26 kind of level, then we might see some more profit booking in this particular stock. So, Rahi, can you please take a few queries?
Yeah, sure. I have already prepared the screen. Okay. So HCC, Hindustan Construction. The Hindustan Construction from this breakout that has taken place. After that, the stock has actually gained 16% in 30 days. So as of now, the stock is looking good, and there is no weakness so far, trading a bit sulky moving average. If you look at the volume, volume is also good. So if you are holding the stock, then please remain be invested in this particular stock. The next one is Aditya Birla Sun Life. So the stock is also trading with 30% of gain from the pivot level in past 63 days. From the past 63 days. Now it is actually forming base near its 21 DMA. If you look at this pattern, like after hitting the recent high, the stock got support near its 21 DMA. And again, if you look at this particular date, especially on 18th July, then after 4 days of fall, again it has reclaimed its 21 DMA. So we can say that 21 DMA is actually acting as a support, and where the buying interest is being emerged. So you might take 21 DMA as your you can stop loss, and you may enter if you are interested in it. And if you are holding the stock, then please remain be invested in this particular stock. Marksans Pharma, I think breakout has taken place already, and it has got around 8% gain from the pivot level in 13 days. So if you are holding the stock, please remain be invested in this particular stock. There is no sign of weakness so far. Welspun leaving, now it has opened. So it is actually in the buying range still. It is just 4% from the pivot level in 9 days. So one who is looking for looking to buy this particular stock, they can buy it. And also it is long consolidation phase. Okay. So almost if you look at the pivot length, it is 107 days. So almost uh, more than 12 to 15 weeks. So actually a stock is in the buy range, and if you are looking to buy the stock, you can take your call on it. And the next one is CDSL. CDSL is also looking good, especially because after having this breakout that has emerged here, then we have seen that from the past 2 to 3 weeks there has been profit booking. The stock has also breached its 21 DMA, but it got support near its 50 DMA, where a bounce back has emerged, and the stock is again actually trying to move upside. So stock is looking good. There is no weakness so far. The next one is Laurus Lab. Laurus Lab is actually looking negative as of now, because after hitting its recent high, and then from past 2 weeks, 2 and 3 weeks, the stock has actually fallen. But from the past two trading session, it has actually witnessing some profit, some buying interest. Let's see whether it is reclaiming its 21 DMA or not, which is placed around 449.92. We can say like 450. So you might take your call at 455 to 456, and you have to also decide your stop loss that matches your criteria. The next one is HAL. HAL is actually stock is actually good. If you look at the rally that has taken place, it has generated a lot of wealth to the investors. But after this high, the recent high, that stock that has hit at 5,674, we can see somewhere here on 9th of July, I guess, maybe. Yeah. So after that, the stock has witnessed profit booking. Now it has breached first here 21 DMA with gap down opening, and again it has breached its 50 DMA as well. So what we can expect, like looking at the price action, it might retest its 100 DMA, and if not, if there is a reversal happen from here, then at least you need to wait till it is reclaiming its 21 DMA. HUDCO, and the next one is HUDCO. HUDCO is also trending in the bullish zone. Yes, this 2 weeks of trading session has been like profit booking, we can say, or there has been some correction phase, slight correction phase actually, not that much, and the fall was also not that steep. It is actually good, and after that again the stock is trying to rise, so that is also a very, very good thing. And if you look at the volume part, it is also above average volume, so it is looking good. If you have already having this stock in your portfolio, then you do not need to be worry about it. You can remain invested in this stock. The next one is Mazagon. Mazagon is actually great. If you look at this rally that has happened here, if someone was someone has already been able to monetize this rally, then that is great. But buying at this current level is looking somehow risky, because we are seeing like the stock is actually falling, and from past 2 to 3 weeks there has been profit booking has already emerged here. It has also breached its 21 DMA as well. So as of now, I would not suggest to buy the stock, especially those stock which is extended, which has gained around 100 or 113% in just 63 days. So there might be some more profit booking may happen, or it may retest its 21 DMA, sorry, 50 DMA also. But 50 DMA is 21% away from this level, so it will not happen so fast. Or it may happen that it can reclaim its 21 DMA also in upcoming days. So you need to monitor these stocks. You need to monitor the price action and how it is trading, and then depending upon that you can take your call. The next one is Cochin Shipyard. Cochin Shipyard is also nice, because after having this flat base, after having this consolidation based breakout, the stock has gained around 162% in just 77 days, or we can say 11 weeks. So after that, after this high around 3,000, we can say like 29,079, or we can say just 3,000, the stock has witnessed some profit booking. It has also breached its 21 DMA as well, and its 50 DMA is 13% away, so it might retest, or it can also reclaim its 21 DMA. Both can happen, depending how the price action is actually what incorporated in this. So you need to monitor the stocks, and after looking at the price action and the buying interest or the selling pressure, whatever it is turning to be, you can take your call. The next one is Titagarh, the railway stock. Yatisha has he has taken one stock, IRFC, I guess. So now I'm taking this stock. So Titagarh also, the stock is actually trading with consolidation base from past 4 weeks. The stock is trading with the consolidation base. It got support around its 50 DMA, that is true, but at the same time it has breached its 21 DMA. So unless and until if it is not reclaiming its 21 DMA, it will be somehow risky. But if you are holding their stock, and if you are sitting at 34% gain, then again you need to be remain invested, and you can see how the price is behaving, whether it is breaching its 50 DMA, or whether it is reclaiming its 21 DMA. So depending upon those facts, you can take your call on this stock. Then I think Yatisha, you have taken this one, right? IRFC.
Yeah.
Okay. The next one is Gravita. So Gravita has it has also given the breakout with consolidation based pattern, and then it has gained around 43% in just 1 month or 1.5 month. We can say 31 days means one month, 1 week, we can say. So after that, actually stock is trying to we cannot say like there is intense fall. Overall sentiment is positive. The stock is trading in the bullish trend only, trading on its all key moving average. So there is no sign of weakness in this stock, Gravita. The next one is Deepak Fertilizers. So Deepak Fertilizers has also given the breakout, and after having this breakout here on the first day on 20th June, it has went under some consolidation, but again we have seen that it got re-breakout here in after 1 day, after 1 week only. And then again it is trying to move upside. In this process, the stock has gained about around 18% in 24 days. So actually it is good, and it is that there is no sign of weakness in this particular stock as well. The next one is KNR. KNR is looking a bit attractive as of now, but technically I will not suggest to enter in this particular area. If you are aggressive, then you can take your call and you make your stop loss nearest 21 DMA, which is just 3.9%, you can say, or you can take your stop loss around 4 to 5% in it. And the beauty, and one more thing in this KNR construction, that in the budget also there has been announcement at like 15,000 crore rupees to the Andhra state. So this stock may be the beneficiary of that. So that is also one hope, but looking at the price action, it is not, somehow it is not reflecting as of now. So you need to monitor this stock very carefully, and once the price emerges and once the price is rising, you can take your call in it. Yatisha, have you prepared the screen of the stocks?
Yeah.
Okay, so please take some of the stocks.
So Titan. So another Nifty 50 stock. Especially they have posted not so great earnings this time, but however the things post budget has been changed. We can see clearly on this particular day because of the tax reduction in the gold imports. So that is this is one of the jewelry segment will going to benefit from that. So it is taken from, it was trading in below its 200 DMA and trading negatively, but right now it has made some kind of basis over here, so around 3,200 3,100 kind of level. So it has given a 200 DMA, which was earlier resistance also. So this time also it is trading around that level, but today it has been a slightly profit booking. So let us see if it comes back towards to 100 DMA and it takes out that 200 DMA and 100 DMA. So then that will be a trend change for Titan. But as of now, it's still under the woods, and let us see how it goes in the next coming sessions. Next one is Aarti Industries. So here stock has been made an attempt to all the chemical stocks, especially before it's made a attempt to break off from the bases, but it's currently trading sideways range. So one can keep a watch list once it breaks out about to 720 kind of level. Then we might see a trend change in this particular stock. However, fundamental and technically, the lower buying volume is slightly lower, and there is no sign of any buying volume in the current side, and make stock is making slightly lower and lower price formation. But it's trading in the tight consolidation range and bit volatile. So better to wait for the 720 kind of level to entry in this particular stock. Next one is Som Distillers. So this stock has been clearly trading below its all key moving averages. So there is no buy signal right now for this particular stock. Next one is REC. So this stock has been great, and it has touched its profit booking level 20-25%, and then it's trading in the consolidation range, hovering around its 21 DMA. The strong stock. One can hold particular this watch list. Then also it has given a breakout retest. So once again it comes back, once again it gives a breakout around 6 minus trend line of 630 kind of level. Then we might see trend change in this particular stock. Next one is Power Grid. The stock is strong, trading at nearly all-time high levels, and trading overly around 21 DMA. So at current junction can be avoided. Fresh entry can be avoided. The stock is already ran up 13% from the pivot level, and it's slowly moving. And if it comes back, if it breaks below its 50 DMA, then it might come back towards its pivot level. So better to wait in this particular stock. Those are already holding this per stock from the pivot level, then continue to trend hold this particular stock with the stop loss below its 50 DMA in this particular stock. Next one is Gravita. So Gravita from last two couple of session it
I
has
think I
been
have taken that, Yatisha.
okay. So I'll skip
That
that.
then. Okay.
Okay, then the EMS. EMS, this stock has been gained a lot on especially on July 23rd. This is one of the stock where uh, I think it's maps. It's picking up maps and all. So government has said that so all the agricultural lands is going to be a land map kind of thing. So this is one of the stock which can be benefited. So its strong stock at current juncture can be avoided. So once again, if it comes back towards this 21 DMA, can be looked for. Next one is Mazagon. Once again, strong sector, but however, from the last couple of weeks, it's trading at sideways consolidation range. So at current junction can be avoided. Continue to hold those are holding from the lower level with stop loss below its 50 DMA in this particular stock. Next one is Bajaj Hindustan. Sugar stock, it's making a high tight consolidation range. So if it breaks out that 44 kind of level, 44, I think 44, 44, 45 kind of level, then we might see some more upside. So this time our monsoon is very good. So this stock might gain further, subject to if it crossing above 45 kind of level. So if it and with the stop loss below it's 50 DMA. So stop loss is quite deeper because of the recent volatility. One can keep under watch list with this particular stock with the 44.50 45 kind of level. Next one is Astral. Stock is bit negative and slowly it's breached its 50 DMA. So those are bought in the pivot level. One can exit from this stock right now and better to keep for other stocks. And those are one can keep a close watch on this particular stock if it sustains its 100 DMA. So last time also it has taken a support around that level and there is a very good bounce back. If it sustains that 100 DMA, then well and good. But if it breaks that 100 DMA, then we might see some more consolidation likely to happen towards its 200 DMA. And S-Bank. S-Bank, there is a slight change in the fundamental side from the last 1 year. But however, the overall trend is coming back towards nearly its previous all-time high. It's it will take a time, and it might take long period of time. But for the trading purpose, it has given a breakout on this particular day on July 5th especially. But after that, it's making consolidation range over here in this particular. So if it bounce back towards once again towards 2650, then we might see some more upside towards 30-32 kind of level. But right now, one can avoid this stock right now and look for the opportunity on the 26-27 kind of. And the one more is Indigo. A very good stock. EPS due in 1 day. Better to watch out. If it's making a flat base pattern, and today it has given. I think it's not yet given a breakout. So it's about to give a breakout. If earnings is well and good, and if it breaks out that this particular range, then one can keep under watch list. Fundamentally strong stock and buying volume is also picking up whenever stock is up. So that is a very good sign. One can keep a watch list on this particular stock into tomorrow's trading session. Is if earnings are very good, then stock might might break out from this flat base as well. So do we have any other queries?
Yeah, Yatisha, I have some.
Okay.
So I will do it. Okay. So SDBL. So SDBL is looking negative as of now, and it is
I
trading
think
below.
I have taken that.
You have
I
taken it?
think, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. I will skip it. So then the next one is JWL, Jupiter Wagon. So
Yeah.
Jupiter Wagon, if you are thinking to re-enter, then I think it is not the right time because stock is falling from the past 2 to 3 weeks. And if you have already holding this stock, then you can remain be invested because already this consolidation phase already you have taken care of. So I think you are already sitting with 58% gain. So that is okay. But looking at this price action, if the stock is trying to accelerate further downside, then that will be the risky this thing. So you can take your call accordingly. But as of now, I will not suggest to buy the stock unless and until it is reclaiming its 21 DMA. The next one is Fine Organic. Fine Organic is trading, I can say, with a positive note only, and it has also formed double bottom price formation, and it has also gained 2% pivot, 2% from the pivot level, and that the length of this is 17 days, so almost 2 to 3 weeks, we can say. So as of now, the week where it is still like it got resistant at 5,500. So I think someone should wait unless and until the stock is not reclaiming the recent high. The next one is LTIM. So stock has actually gained a lot from this recent low. Not a lot, but it has gained nice. It was nice gain in just last 1 month. We can say 1.5 month. But after this, if you look at the trading session of the past 1 week or past 4 days, so stock is actually falling, and after hitting its recent high at 5,880 approx, the stock is actually falling after that. It is still trending up its all key moving average. If you look at the placement of 21 DMA, it is just 1%, 1.5% from this level. So it might retest that level as well. So you have to be very careful while taking the call. And if you are invested in these stocks, then you can take your exit call once it is breaching its 21 DMA. And if you are already sitting on the gain. The next one is Infosys. Infosys is trending on a positive note. It is trending in the bullish. It is trending in the bullish zone only. It is trending up its all key moving average. There is no weakness in any Infosys so far. The next one is Atul. Atul has also shown resilience after hitting its recent high on 4th of June. The stock has hit the low at 5,175, you can say. And after that, the stock is trying to rise upside. In this entire process, the stock has reclaimed its all key moving averages as well. So as of now, if you are looking at the chart, there is no sign of weakness. So you can take your call depending upon your risk reward ratio. The next one is Glenmark. Glenmark is looking nice, and there is no weakness in Glenmark. The stock is trending with positive bias, trading up its all key moving average as well. It has also gained 63% pivot from the pivot level in 163 days. So I think if you are sitting in this particular stock, if you are holding this particular stock, then you can remain be invested because there is no great weakness sign here. There is no sign of weakness so far. The next one is Gujarat Narmada Valley. The stock is actually falling, and we can say like it is trading with consolidation phase, we can say. And we should not try to catch the falling knife. That is also true. So let the stock reclaim at least its 21 DMA, which is placed around 693. So you can take your call around 695 or 700 onwards. The next one is Godrej Agrovet. Godrej Agrovet has already gained around 52% from the pivot level in 57 days. If you are looking to enter in this particular stock, it can be a risky, but again depend your stop loss appetite and how you are managing it. But if you are holding the stock, then you can remain be invested in it. There is no weakness so far. It is trading up its all key moving averages. Yes, Yatisha.
I think we'll take last couple of queries,
Okay.
and then we'll wind up the session. I think first one is HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank recently they have announced their earnings. After that, stock has been trading in this particular range and given a breakout also here over here. But after that, there is a gap down opening and then currently hovering around 50 DMA. So if you see overall chart on the weekly chart scale, it's largely making a sideways consolidation range. So it's the range has been somewhere around this 1700 to 1300 kind of level. So it's from the last couple of years, it's trading in this particular range, and there is a sign of its breakout from the range, but however it quickly turned out to be a sideways range. But once again, it's taken a support around its 50 DMA today. But if it 50 DMA breaks out once again, we might see it might come back towards this 1400, 500 or 1400, 500 kind of level, for the HDFC Bank. So fresh entry can be avoided. Once again it crosses its 21 DMA, then we might see on the upside. So it's this gap of with where the gap down has happened. So that is a crucial level to watch on the upside. So we might see some more resistance around this area in the coming days. Next one is Eicher Motor. So right now, Eicher Motor is making a base. It's strong resistance around 45,000 kind of level. So if it breaks out about that level, then we might see fresh upside. One can go with the stop loss below its swing, this swing low of 4700 or a 50 DMA on the upside. But right now, one can keep a close watch on this. If it breaks out from the this base, then they'll be very good. But right now, it's on the watch list side. So thank you for joining, everyone, and we'll wind up the session. So if we skipped any of the stocks queries, please write to us. We'll answer it via email or in Telegram. So thank you for joining this session. Thank you.